Hello everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of ViCritic.net. Thank you so much for joining me here for a few minutes at my media channel. Today we are going to be unboxing / looking at, well, Guillermo del Toro's Pinocchio from Criterion Collection. This is a Netflix film, and Netflix movies don't usually come to physical media, and if they do, it's usually through the Criterion Collection. Of course, Criterion has to decide whether or not it's a worthy film to be part of the lineup, and this one certainly is. It was my choice for the second best film of last year. It won the Academy Award for Best Animated Feature, although it should have gotten a Best Picture, Best Adapted Screenplay, Song, Score nomination. It should have gotten a lot more than just that one nomination. This was directed by Guillermo del Toro and Mark Gustafsson. So even though it's Guillermo del Toro's, this was a co-directing thing. This is the 4K release. As you know, this is number 1201, and you look on the back, interesting purple color there. And this has the 4K and the Blu-ray, and one of the few movies to display its rating there. I didn't know the Jim Henson Company helped make this, but that makes a lot of sense. Of course, you see Netflix's logo, all these special features. And so let's open it. Let's see what this package looks like. This is not a plastic package. As you can see, it is made of cardboard, and I got mixed feelings about that. They look nice, but sorry, I've got the hiccups all of a sudden. But you know, cardboard tends to wear out faster than plastic, so you know, it's a Criterion kind of goes back and forth on that. Sometimes they do plastic, sometimes they do cardboard. It's like, yeah, whatever. So let's pull this off, and okay, so we have Pinocchio. Oh, that's a nice little touch, that his nose is really long. Okay, that's a nice touch. Got to be careful about that because that could get ripped out. All right, and so we have apparently the same image for both the Blu-ray and the 4K. The only difference being one says 4K, one says Blu-ray. I mean, as much as I think the nose is cute, that makes me really nervous. And this is the booklet, and I really like it. It's made with the usual fine qualities that Criterion is known for. Really gotta love the animation style in this. And so Matt Zoller Seitz is the one who wrote the introduction to the film, which seems to be a little bit more than introduction, and also Cornelia Funke also wrote something for this, and gotta love the artistry in this movie. You have the special thanks, the production credit. Now, unfortunately, that nose is already becoming a problem. There's really nothing that holds this, so you gotta be careful. I think there are going to be a lot of people who are going to accidentally break this nose off, and now we have to put it back in the case. Like, that's just something that, put it in the wrong way. So oops, you put it in this way, and I'm going to be doing that so carefully because I don't want to break that nose off. All right, and there you go. Now we can watch this in Ultra HD 4K, and I can put it on my Oscar shelf right next to, what was the last one that won? Encanto? I think it was Encanto. So anyway, I would like to know, do any of you have this disc? Do you plan to get it? What other Netflix movies would you like to see on the Criterion channel? I know some people are probably going to say Nimona. So if you want more Netflix movies on disc, reach out to Criterion. They're the ones who will have an interest in releasing it. It doesn't mean they're going to release everything. I don't think Leo or the Sea Beast are Criterion worthy per se, but you know, we'll see. So anyway, would like to know what you think. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.